You have heard that maintaining a travel channel on YouTube is expensive. That's because making a single travel video includes huge cost. With your regular cost for camera and shooting gears, here you have to add your travel cost, and that's not a mere amount. And above all, you have to shoot your experiences while on the go. Believe me, that may help you create an excellent travel video, but you will miss a lot of fun from your tour. It's my personal experience. But yes, there is a way. With that, you can create a great travel video, minimize your cost, and of course, will not miss the fun of your precious tour. Here, I am showing you how to do that with proof from one of our successful travel videos. We made this travel guide video of Nepal during 2020 lockdown. Here, we have only used still pictures of the place. But instead of telling the story of our travel experience, we described here a proper tour plan, like a basic introduction about the place, how you can reach there from India, what will be the flight or train fare. We provide online links so that our viewers don't have to go anywhere else for ticket booking. The prime tourist attractions of the place. Along this, we provide contacts for booking. And here is the analytics of our video. As you can see here, for the first 1 hour of publishing, our video performed as usual like other videos. It got 180 views, which was normal. Then exactly after 2.5 hours of publishing, it started picking up. However, the growth was not so good. It got nearly 50 more views than average. In this time period, our normal videos got around 400 views, and this particular one got 456 views. After almost 11 hours of publishing, it picked up really good and got over 1100 views, which was much higher than average views. And in first 24 hours of publishing, this video had gained 1400 views, 5 subscribers, 77.6 hours of watch time and 3.86 rupees. Remember, we published this video in May 2020 when there was lockdown everywhere. The tourism industry was completely shut down, no traveling was possible then, and even the views of our channel dropped drastically. Still, this video managed to perform well, and that's simply because of its content and the way it served the viewers. Now, again look at the views graph. From the end of January 2022, when most of the countries lifted all COVID restrictions, tourism started functioning again, then this video started picking up more rapidly than the previous time, and now the graph is moving steeply upward. From January 1 till 11th May 2022, the video has got 96,800 views, 3,500 hours of watch time, 458 subscribers and generated $77 of revenue. And this is much higher than its previous 5 months, that is from August 21 to December 21, when the video got 67,000 views, 2,400 hours of watch time, 371 subscribers and generated $53.39 of revenue. This is not the end. The video is still growing. That you can see from this real-time views section. From here, you can see that it has got 2,525 views in last 48 hours when I took the screenshot. We also got around $198 from this single video since we uploaded it. Next comes the most important question. How we managed to get this amount of views and revenue from a travel video uploaded during lockdown. The secret to this is writing proper valuable content and doing the right YouTube SEO. From the reach section of YouTube analytics, you can see that we got the majority of our traffic from YouTube search and Google search. It is good to rank high on YouTube so that you can get a considerable amount of traffic from this second largest website of the world. But it is even better to rank high on both Google and YouTube, the two most visited websites of the world. And this happens in our case. We ranked top on YouTube for our keyword Nepal tour guide. But we also ranked top on Google for this keyword and generated 26.6% of our traffic from there. These are some other keywords in which we rank top on YouTube. Hence, we can conclude from this video that you can get great views and good amount of money from your single YouTube video if you have done your optimization correctly. It may take some time, but in the long run you will get success that will last long. Hope this will help you in your YouTube journey. If you feel this interesting, then please like and share this video and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Your comment will encourage us to make some more useful content. See you in our next video. Thank you.